Good morning, class. Today we are going to be learning about birds, eggs, and their nest.
Good morning, boys and girls. I just wanted to share this moment because I happened to see a nest in a fake tree that I have in front of my porch. And this is so interesting and exciting. If you can see, there are 4 kind of blue or greenish eggs, and they're inside of a nest. It looks like a perfect, nice nest. I have never seen this before, and I feel so lucky. Yesterday was Monday, and today is Tuesday. I came to see the eggs, and I've noticed that 2 of the eggs have hatched. Mama bird came back to see the nest and the baby chicks.
Today is Wednesday, and all of the eggs have hatched. Today is Thursday, and Mama Bird is not around the nest, but she needs to come back soon because the baby chicks need her. She's probably looking for food. They usually eat worms or insects, but she needs to come back to take care of them. I hope you enjoyed this science lesson about birds. Now, I'm gonna leave the nest alone, and I'm not gonna get close to the birds. I'm just gonna let nature run its course. Bye.